In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change characters in Phighting. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can change characters if you are in a private server, public server, playing alone, with friends, randoms, and so on. So this will be done by pressing a specific button, so all that you have to do is press X to swap fighters. So join a match, choose the option to play, and once you load into the map, you will be able to change characters as much as you want. So you will load in with the first character that you selected, and as you can see on the middle of the screen, if you press X, you will be able to swap. You might have to walk into one of these respawn areas that has this icon here. So as you can see, if I walk away, I won't be able to swap characters or fighters, but if I go back into this spawn area, I'll be able to press X once again to swap. So all that you have to do is go into one of the respawn locations and press X on your keyboard to swap characters. You can swap as many times as you want as long as you are in this specific location. You will know that you are able to swap when you see the message appears. So right underneath my character, if I walk away from this respawn location, the message goes away. So you have to be in this specific location to be able to do it. And as long as you are free to switch characters as many times as you wish in a match. It is going to work for every single one, and every single map should have one of these positions somewhere. So just locate the respawn point, walk over to it, and then press X on top of it. Besides that point, you will not be able to swap characters. So as you can see, I'm pressing X over and over, and it doesn't allow me to. So you must respawn or go over to the spawn location in order to change characters. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. As you can see here, 83% of you who watch our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the highest quality videos and the best, most up-to-date solutions to your problems. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.